Hi, I'm Bobbi Linkemer, and I'd like to talk to you about why it's so important to take care of ourselves as we get older. The question is, what will it take to maintain our vigor and vitality? Human beings age, and as we do, inevitable changes take place in our bodies. Some of these changes are out of our control. They're simply part of being human. On the other hand, we do have the power to slow down and even prevent some of these diseases from happening. Why does this matter? While there isn't much we can do about heredity, many diseases and conditions can be prevented by making a few sensible changes in your lifestyle. And here are 8 of them. 1. Do whatever you can to minimize your stress and stay positive. 2. Remember the basics. Stay away from junk food, eat fruits, vegetables, drink lots of water, get plenty of sleep. 3. Do what you can to help others, even if it's something small like a phone call to say hi. 4. Stay in touch with people. Solitude is lovely, but isolation can be lonely. And we've just had a year that shows us just how lonely it can be. 5. Feed your creative side. Go back to old pleasures and try some new ones. 6. Stay in tune with your body. If something feels off, don't ignore it. Call your doctor. 7. If you have a chronic condition, learn all you can about it. Do what is possible to control it and learn to live with it and accept it. 8. Exercise can change your life in 3 ways. Preventing or slowing problems with muscles, joints, and bones. Helping you maintain strength, balance, and flexibility, and keeping your mind sharp and able to learn new skills. Aging is inevitable. Feeling old, looking old, acting old is not. Aging with Grace is a do-it-yourself project. And to learn more about how to do it, you might want to read the chapter on aging and staying healthy in my new book, How to Age with Grace. Thanks so much for watching this video.